Hello friends, Maddie here, and today I am going to model this simple minion. I am going to model it and then texture it, and in future video I am also going to animate this guy in my future videos. Maybe. So today I am focusing just on creating this guy. I am focusing on modeling and texturing in this video. So let's start. Hello friends, that's it. So here is our minion character. This was the reference I was using, and this is our character. This was the reference and this is our character. If you have more time, you can add jeans texture here. I will add this afterwards. You can, it is very simple, unwrap it and just add jeans texture here and here. So that's it friends. I hope you guys like this video. Stay tuned to my channel for more 3D modeling videos like this. Also some gameplay of some games which I have. So stay tuned to my channel and I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys.